News 46 is brought to you in part by...
In this plummeting economy, we need to spend our money wisely. Grocery Surplus is here to help. When you shop at Grocery Surplus, you'll save up to 70% off your regular grocery bill. If you normally spend $75 at your regular grocery store on cheese, freezer items, canned and boxed goods, you'll only pay $45 at Grocery Surplus. American families shop an average of once per week for their groceries. At this rate, you can save approximately $1,500 per year just by coming to Grocery Surplus. Stop by and compare on Highway 372, open Monday through Saturday 9 to 6 and Sunday 9 to 5.
We're having a major event in April of this year, and it's going to be at Mount Falls. And the fun of it is going to be that for $50 you can buy a golf ball, and $50 a piece, so as many golf balls as you want to buy. And these golf balls are going to be dropped by helicopter onto the golf course. Now, there will be nobody on the golf course when they drop these because we don't want the liability. You know, we lawyers always think liability. So there's nothing bad's going to go down. You're not going to get hit by a golf ball. You will be inside when the golf balls are dropped. And then to win, you win the closest balls to the holes are the ones that win the prizes. And the prizes are fantastic. Additionally, we are going to have open auction items that are also going to be fantastic. We women are rating our jewelry boxes, and you know we all have pearls and gold and silver, etc., that we're not wearing. So if you want to donate some pieces to this, please give my office a call at 751-8258 because I'm organizing all the prizes for the open auction, the closed auction, and we're going to have live auction. Also, Sharon Kalin is donating a week stay at her place in Colorado. And it's going to be fabulous, just fabulous. We're organizing, in fact, airfare for that too. So it'll be just really, really special prize as the #1 prize. So, and there's other trips. There's different hotels have gotten involved, like the Pahrump Nugget. We've received donations from them. Food and lodging, and we have this happening in Las Vegas at various places like Terrible Herbst and Terrible Herbst here. So we have a lot of really good prizes. It's going to be phenomenal. And the money goes to the Hospice Building Fund. And as you know, we've been very lucky. Hollis Harris has donated land near the hospital for our hospice. But we need to put up the building. We need to raise $1.5 million to put up that building. But the building is going to save so much money each and every month for the hospice.